holiday, fasten your seatbelt, a number of famous people try different jobs. This job is for a chalet girl for crystal holidays in the skiing resort of Verbier. And our applicant is...
Toya Wilcox.
Your job, please.
Chalet girl.
Essential.
Catering experience, outgoing personality and basic French.
And salary?
£56 a week, plus tips, accommodation, insurance and ski pass.
Applicant accepted. Toya Wilcox works as a TV presenter, but this week she has a new job as a chalet girl in Switzerland. Toya arrives at Verbier to start work, and her boss shows her some of her jobs.
Okay, in the bathroom, clean sink, mirror, bath. Okay.
Toya starts her work with a trip to the supermarket to buy food for the week.
Toya, how much did you spend?
174.
I was thinking more along the lines of the list would cost perhaps about 100 francs.
Oh!
2 hours later, the guests arrive.
Hello, welcome!
Toya welcomes them. They've travelled by plane and then by bus from England. They want to ski, relax and eat some very good food. Toya makes soup.
Just check that with salt. Yeah. Oh no!
And a cake.
This is my first cake.
It looks good. Did you know that Rosemary's a professional cook?
Oh gosh! Oh, oh no!
Early morning, and Toya is up to get fresh bread for breakfast.
Oui, let's see.
But then there's a problem.
Mistake number 3. I haven't got a key. Trish, Brian, it's Toya. Sorry. Go back to bed and I'll bring you a cup of tea.
A little later, Toya makes breakfast for the guests.
The plate's hot.
I won't have an egg.
Sorry.
After breakfast, the guests go skiing, and Toya is alone. But there's no time to rest. Toya hoovers the rooms, she makes the beds, cleans the bath, and washes the floor. But it's not all housework for Toya. She goes out with her guests, gives them a hot drink, and tries out a new sport. Off she goes!